Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently December 3rd. We took one trade today. It was a losing trade. We did lose today. We lost about $120 on 9 accounts, 122 times 9. Almost $1,100 total, so very small loss. Did de-risk on this trade. Only took it with 2 micros because I did not like the setup. It was not A+, but I was still willing to put on a risk on the table because I did expect this to just dump through here. But that is not what happened. We got stopped out right here at these highs. And yeah, so it was a losing trade. But this trade overall the market was just very bad today, to be honest. And we dumped 250 points from 850 to 930 right here. Actually, from 9 o'clock to 9:15, 230 points we dumped. So I really shouldn't have traded today, but I still took this trade because I did like the setup. After that dump, I was clearly still bearish. This was all manipulation, though, on the higher time frame, and I couldn't recognize that in the actual markets because I just thought we were just going to sell off because this was a massive candle. We did come down to this 4-hour fair value gap. We put in a SMT at these lows here out of this 4-hour fair value gap, but I did not think this would hold here. I thought we were just going to continue flushing because of how damn bearish this last hourly candle was. So after market open, we saw manipulation up, so I thought this was going to be the manipulation into this 5-minute fair value gap. And after that, I just wanted to wait for a tap into a inversion fair value gap. So right here, we came up, swept out these highs. We had this 2-minute fair value gap here that I seen that we kept wicking out of. As soon as we broke through this, I expected us to just flush through all this low resistance here and at least sweep these lows before then going higher, but that's not what happened. It was low-key a pretty bad trade, to be honest. And this is all chopped, so it took that 2-minute inversion. As soon as we got that 2-minute inversion, we came up a tiny bit, got in right here. Stop loss was at this wick right here. Not even a safe stop. Safe stop would have been here. Still would have been stopped out. Still would have been a break-even trade because I would have went break-even here. Stopped at a break-even, so just overall bad day, but managed risk well, I guess. Only went in with 2 micros. Was still willing to put on the risk on the table, but I really should have waited for a close below this body here. So as soon as we got a close above this body, I should have waited for that instead of this wick here, because this would have been the actual CISD market structure shift, and we probably would have flushed if we broke structure here, down here, and then came back up to a fair value up, and then we would have flushed. But we were just bullish all day, and just a slow chop up. There's no longs even anywhere in here. We have triple equal lows right here. Market has just been terrible today. Just a slow chop up after selling 250 points in literally the span of 30 minutes, which is crazy. So after that, I should have just hopped off. But the reason I traded today was honestly just to get one more day, and I got that one more day. So now I am able to request a payout tonight between these top accounts of $2,000 each. Hopefully this payout does not get denied, but there is a chance it will get denied again because the day I went on tilt, or the day I got denied, I went on tilt that same day. I did make money that day. It was this day right here where I made $792. So I might get denied, I might not, I'm not sure. If I get denied, I just gotta trade 8 more days and not go on tilt. And that's my whole thing right now is just don't go on tilt, don't FOMO, just follow the plan, follow my rules, and keep the risk management intact. That's really all that matters to me right now. Just got to focus back on long term. After blowing 5 accounts like a couple weeks ago, it really made me reset my mind again and keep running up these days and keep focused long term. 88 days on this one account. If I never blew the other accounts, it would have been a lot higher, but it is what it is. A shitty loss today, but posting the transparent truth and raw reality of day trading. Losses happen. You do not win every single day. It does suck because I was going for that 100% win rate this month, but I don't think I'll ever have a 100% win rate. But this week we're still up overall on each account $250. So overall still a very good week so far. We're up 250 times 9, up 2,200 this week. And it is only Wednesday. We still have tomorrow and Friday. And tomorrow I think we might get good price action because we have unemployment claims at 8:30. So and then Friday we have consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, so we could also expect good price action on Friday. So we just got to end the week off strong. One loss does not hurt us. It's only $120. That's half RR because I did de-risk. So happy with my risk management, not happy with my execution, and yeah, you live and learn and move on. But that's gonna be it for this trade recap. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Join the Discord down below. Christ in charts. I might do a class tonight, so if you guys see this, there's potentially going to be a class at 8 p.m. tonight. So yeah, and also use code Zach on Apex for 80% off all accounts. I'm not sure if I said that already. But peace out, y'all.